Helen and welcome to the Moffat channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Turbofan E23M3 Convection oven. This is a 20 series designed electric convection oven which is high in performance and completely portable. It's ideal for countertop use front of house or back of house because of its compact footprint. When things get busy, an increase in capacity is a great solution. That is why this model has the ability to be double stacked with another E23M3, effectively doubling your output without taking up more floor space in your kitchen. You have the choice of casters or adjustable feet when double stacked. Featured to take 3 2/3 gastronome pans or 3 half-size sheet pans with an 85mm or 3 1/3 inch tray spacing between each rack. It allows for those baking of morning convenience foods such as croissants, muffins, Danish pastries and many other takeout foods. The choice is endless. If you want to know more information about the E23M3 or any other Turbofan oven, keep watching or simply visit moffat.com. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.